Today, poopy time. You take this wand. Whoa. Swish it around in the poop. I like to call this playing in the poop. Put it back in this little tube. We live for shake and bake in microbiology. Take this test strip and oh my god. Stop. Now we wait. Alrighty, you have 2 pink lines. That's positive, and that means your colon is bleeding. Y'all seem to really enjoy this, so let's do some more. Remember when we streaked those plates a few days ago? Well, when you put them in an incubator, this is what they turn into. These 3 individual ones right here, those are called colonies. In micro, we describe the way that they look, if they look mucoid or dry, if they're round, small, big, all aspects. Remember those 2 we put on that gram stain? Well, this is what they look like. This one is a Staph aureus. You can see how shiny and mucoid looking. And this one is E. coli. It spreads like wildfire. So here, let me show you a few others. You can see this one, if you zoom in close, they look kind of fuzzy on the outside, and these are also mucoid and shiny. This one is the group A strep. This is when you get strep throat. You can see how it hemolyzes the blood plate and makes it look see-through. And you can see they're itty bitty tiny. Today, class, let's test for the flu. Always be sure to label your tubes. Beep, 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 beep. Do I even have to say it? We're going to pull sample to this notch and fill each tube. Now we're going to take this test strip, and this bottom pad is going to have the control line and either an A positive or a B positive line. Set your timer. And now you can see right here on number 9 that it's a B positive, and number 10 is an A positive.
Now we're going to do every microbiologist's least favorite thing, wet mounts. Say it with me, shake and bake. Wait, slide, boop. You can take your pipette and you're going to put a drop on this end here and this end here. Now with wet mounts, you have your saline side and you have your KOH side. KOH eliminates everything except for yeast. So I'm going to take 2 drops of KOH and put it on this side over here. Pew, pew. Now you're going to cover slip it. This is the smallest, thinnest piece of glass you will ever see in your entire life. In the microscope. Boop. Now in wet mounts, you are looking for bacteria, you are looking for white cells, skin cells, trichomonas, clue cells, and yeast.
Okay, here's a mini lesson. If you look between 2 and 3 and next to the number 8, you will see little shapes. That is yeast. Yeast typically has a budding, so it looks like 2 circles that are connected or very long oblong shapes. You didn't ask for part 2, but here it is. 1 minute. Purple. Rinse it off. 1 minute. Orange. More water. Decolorize and get rid of all the color. My God, so much water. Red for 30 seconds. More fucking water! Ah! To the heat block. To the microscope. You're gonna put immersion oil here and here. Power on.